How's it going, everyone? I'm Gamaroy, and welcome to What's Inside. Now, this is a free indie horror game that I got on Game Jolt, and it looked interesting. I was going through. I was like, I want a good horror game. I want something that's gonna freak me out a little bit. And I don't know. This looked okay. I kind of like the style. It reminds me almost of like a Borderlands, kind of like the very bold outlining kind of thing. I don't know. I like it. Like a Telltale game. Telltale. I like Telltale. Um, but also, I don't really know of any other indie games because I love playing these indie games. I love it because you're supporting a little small independent company or a person or a few people, and it's just really cool. I only know of Game Jolt where you can get this to where you can just be like, hey guys, this is an indie game. You guys should check it out. Support the little indie developers. But I don't know. I use Game Jolt. There's a lot of stuff on there. I'll do some research. If you guys know of any other sites, let me know in the comments. Ooh, what's that? Can I crouch? Oh, I can. What is that? Okay. Oh, I don't have to hold it. Cool. Read note. This is real, but what is real? Okay, that's all it was. This looks interesting. Grab. Ah! Mental break. Down. Is that a pen? It's a lockpick. Ooh. Yeah. Make my bed. It's so pretty. Open door. Nothing. Whoa. Another room? It's not in there. Can I go in here? Oh, I can. A hammer? Why do I need a hammer? My other question is, why does this guy have a hammer? Craft crowbar? What? Pry using crowbar. Hope I'm not trying to be sneaky. Let's go into the next room. We're just gonna... Alright, we're not gonna close... Okay. What is these? What are these marks? What are those marks there? Is that blood? That's blood. Oops. Okay, do I have any... I can't really see my inventory. Ah, because you don't have an inventory. Duh. Ugh. Hello? Hey, open. I don't know. Wait. 4. What was the other one? Disconnect. Disconnected? Okay. Odd. There was one here. Alright, so it's 3. 3 something. Oh, 3 7 4. All right. Noises. 3 7 4. So I'm gonna guess that's right. So it's 1 2 3. 2 3 4. Oh wait. 5 6 7. Hey, there we go. What's that? A key. Oh man, I'm good at games. I know this is a horror game. I'm just waiting for the big jump. Is there no jump? Is it down this hallway? Oh, there's nothing. What's the key for? Unless there's something in here that I'm gonna need. Disconnected. What is going on? Alright, so I have a key now. What I use it for, I don't know. I also have a hammer. Is there a screwdriver somewhere? Okay, no. Wait, what's that? It's a leaf. Okay. Alright. What was that? Oh, that's a lot of blood. Well. Alright, so I have a key now. Not sure what I need a key for. That was my room. Is there something in one of these rooms that I missed? That I need a key for. Did I open these? Nothing. And nothing. Anything? No? Alright. What happened to the other two people in here? Because obviously there's blood in here. Something happened here. Oh wait, there's a drawer. Screwdriver! Okay. Alright. Oh, I need it. Oh, the boxes! The boxes! If I can stop throwing the boxes everywhere. Shabuski. Walla bomba. So I'm gonna put 2 boxes here. 1 box here. Jump, jump. That's a lot of blood. Can I jump? Do I need to crouch jump? There we go. Oh. What's that say? Wake up? What? Where's my reflection? There's no one here. What? What just happened? What is happening? Help? Sometimes the monster is only inside of us. You wake up to the sound of doctors at the door. Less prison like your room is inviting. You never left. What? The theater of the mind will destroy you. What is going on? Wake up. Oh man, that was weird. I kind of liked it though. I kind of liked it because it was like a puzzle horror game, kind of horror game. It had a couple parts that were like little cheap jump scares, but I liked it because you had to think, and it was a little bit of puzzles. You had to be like, all right, think ahead. I'm gonna need a screwdriver for that. I'm gonna need a crowbar. I guess I used the hammer to make a crowbar. I don't know. That was really interesting. I actually really enjoyed that. That was pretty cool. Sometimes when you get these free or these free indie games, you know, sometimes they're hit or miss. But I think this was a hit. I think this was really cool. I'd like to see something like this of the concept be made into like an actual game, like a psychological, because that's all this kind of really was a psychological horror game, like a full psychological horror game. Like, I don't know, I think that'd be interesting. I would definitely play that. I would. But on that note, thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.